everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapie Stories. Today I'm talking about Durban Gen. Guys, Nomalanga Qobe returned to save the hospital from Zandile, who is the head of gynecology department. Zandile goes for what she believes in. Guys, she doesn't care who gets hurt in the process. After what happened to Lindilani, who believes Busiso's ghost is hunting him, Zandile took the opportunity to take his position as Durban Gen superintendent. Lindilani, guys, has been begging to cope at work, and Zandile used that chance to kick him out. Zandile calls an inspector to oust Lindilani, but instead he is demoted. The next morning, Zandile walks up to his office with a smile on her face and a bottle of champagne in hand to celebrate victory. Zandile thinks she is the obvious pick to manage the hospital. She has the leadership skill and the capabilities that comes with taking over the hospital, explained to Duzile. But guys, before Lindilani's demotion, he learns that Nomalanga has recently returned to South Africa following her brain tumor treatment in Cuba, and he asked her to reclaim her position, and she agreed on the spot. It revealed that Lindilani and Nomalanga quickly managed or arranged with the hospital board to give Nomalanga the job, leaving Zandile devastated. She's shocked when Nomalanga arrives at the superintendent's office to announce the news. Zandile walks out with her tail between her legs, says Duduzile. Guys, this hurdle doesn't mean that Zandile is going to throw in the towel, though. She's scheming against Nomalanga to ensure she follows in Lindilani's footsteps. Zandile is an opportunist, and she doesn't quit until things go her way. The actress added, but this time Zandile has met her match, and Nomalanga is going to fight to retain her job. Guys, tell me what you think about Nomalanga's return. Did you miss her, or Lindilani was the suitable person for this position? That's all I have for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload.